Hello student, I hope all of you doing very well. So basically student, it's a request by the students, sir please make a video on one shot for circular motion. So today I am here to make a video on what? One shot of circular motion, right? So let's start. So it's a very common topic. It's a application of the whole chapters in the physics, right? So स्टूडेंट वीडियो को बिल्कुल भी स्किप नहीं करना है, स्टार्टिंग से लेकर लास्ट तक देखेंगे तो आपको समझ में आएगा. अगर आपने थोड़ा सा वीडियो स्किप किया ना तो फिर आपको पॉइंट्स कनेक्ट नहीं हो पाएंगे. सो इट्स अ रिकमेंडेशंस टू एवरी स्टूडेंट्स. अगर आप चैनल को वॉच कर रहे हो, इफ यू आर न्यू ऑन द चैनल, सो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब, शेयर विथ योर फ्रेंड्स, right? So basically I am going to explain circular motion. So let's start. Definition of circular motion, right? It's a very common. Circular motion is a movement of the body along the circular path, or you can say along the movement of the body along the circumference of the circle, right? So this is a basically definition of circular motion. So some example, because this is a one shot video, to don't waste the more time to derive the result. I'm here directly put the result, right? Because this is the one shot video. If I'm going to derive the result, so this is not sufficient. Because one shot video means your recommendation. Sir, please don't take more time, right? You want to revise your chapter. So I'm going to quick revision of what? Basically circular motion, right? I hope all of you happy, all of you are doing very hard work for JEE mains is coming soon. Date already has announced by NTA 21 to 25. So I hope all of you are doing very well. So I'm here to help everyone. I'm very happy to help to everyone because I'm looking your comment on YouTube कि what is your basically requirement, what is your basically enthusiasm to learn about JEE mains. So today I am here to make a video on circular motion. So circular motion, as I told you, definition, movement of the body or object on a what? Along the circumference of the circle is what? Circular motion. So basically some result circular motion. I am going to compare circular motion with the what? Kinematic. आपने सही सुना student, that is what? Kinematics. So kinematics, all of you already have learned. This is what? Kinematics. Kinematics. Basically there are three equations of motions, right? So this is V is a final velocity, U plus AT. A is what? Initial velocity, A is acceleration, T is a time. So next equation of motion, S is equals to ut plus half of AT square. U is what? Again initial velocity, S is a what? Displacement, and A is what? Acceleration. Equation of motion third, this is V square is equals to U square plus 2AS. A is what? Acceleration, S is what? Displacement, U is the initial velocity, and V is the final velocity. So now I am going to compare kinematics with the what? Circular motion. What? Circular motion. So this is what? Basically circular motion. This is what? Basically circular motion. So this is omega final. It's a final angular velocity which is equals to omega initial angular velocity addition with alpha into t. Alpha is what? Angular acceleration, and t is the time. So next is what? Basically theta. Theta is what? Basically angular variables. It's the angular displacement, and this is omega final. Basically you can compare with what? Equations, because I am not here going to derive the result. I am directly compare with the kinematics with the what? Circular motion. So U is the initial velocity, omega initial is the initial angular velocity, A is the acceleration for uniform, you can say straight line motion, and this is what? Circular motion, angular acceleration variable, right? S is the displacement, and theta is what? Angular displacement. Omega initial is what? Initial velocity. U is the what? Omega is initial is what? Initial angular velocity. U is what? Initial velocity. So you can say this is omega initial into what? Basically, or you can say omega initial, or occasionally you can use omega t. Theta is equal to omega t plus half of alpha into t square. Alpha is what you can say remains, angular acceleration stays what time. So now finally I'm going to compare equations of motions. Third, this is what omega angular velocity final का square is equals to omega initial का square plus 2 alpha theta. Alpha is what basically angular accelerations and theta is what basically angular displacement, right? So this is what basically comparison. It's the most useful student result you can use, but just remember one thing: if you can face any questions in the examinations, try to concentrate the question. This is the main criteria of JEE Mains. JEE Mains not why the NTA not ask why the very tough question. It's a very easy competition, but it's need what talent, right? JEE Mains demand only talent, not ratification. अगर किसी ने रट लिया और सोचा कि मैं IIT कर जाऊं, it's a impossible event, राइट? सो ट्राई टू कॉन्सेंट्रेट ऑन योर स्टडी. आप अपनी स्टडी को अच्छे से करें, अच्छे से पढ़ें और उसके बाद में जो भी रिकमेंडेशन हो उसको अच्छे से पढ़ें, राइट? सो दिस इज व्हाट बेसिकली कंपैरिजंस था जो मैंने आपके साथ किया, काइनेमेटिक्स विद व्हाट सर्कुलर मोशन. सो नाउ टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट. आफ्टर दैट आई एम गोइंग टू मूव अहेड फॉर द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक which is related to what circular motion. I hope you have taken access. Okay, fine. So now I am going to erase this all demand this formula and just move on the next topic. So circular motion, there are two type of acceleration. For circular motion there are two type of acceleration. What is, student? Circular motion there are two types of acceleration. So what is the acceleration's name? I am going to explain with the u. This is what r is the radius of the particle. If any particle is moving in the circular motion, there are two acceleration. One is what you can say radial and another is what basically tangential. Both are at what you can say basically 90 degree. AR is responsible. AR is what? AR is radial acceleration. AR is what? Radial acceleration, and AT is what? Basically tangential. AT is what? Tangential acceleration, right? So formula for AR is equals to omega square R, right? And AT which is equals to alpha into R, but I have taken capital R, so I am going to replace a small r with the capital R. This is the what basically formula of AR and what you can say AT. AR in what you can say basically AT. Now I am going to tell you basically what is the and where application of radial acceleration. Radial acceleration, it is responsible to change the directions of particle. What is AR is responsible to change the direction of particle. It always acts towards the center. What, student? It always acts towards the center. This is what directions of AR. AR is what? Radial acceleration, and it always acts towards the center, right? Next is what basically AT. AT is what? Tangential acceleration. It is responsible to change the speed of particle. It is responsible to change the speed of particles. So student, take a screenshot. After that I am going to more detail with the tangential acceleration, right? So take a screenshot. This is all about radial acceleration and tangential accelerations. I have already told you a detailed study of AR. AR is responsible to change the direction of particle. It always acts towards the center. So this is all about radial accelerations. And where acts tangential accelerations? So now I am going to erase this all informations about radial acceleration, and now I am going to tell about tangential acceleration. This is what basically tangential acceleration. right? That is denoted by at. If velocity of particles is increasing, or you can say speed of particle is increasing, so at is along the स्पीड ऑफ पार्टिकल, मीन्स यू कैन से अगर पार्टिकल्स की स्पीड इंक्रीज कर रही हो तो एटी इसके पैरेलल होते हैं. एटी इज पैरेलल टू व्हाट, बेसिकली स्पीड ऑफ द पार्टिकल. इफ पार्टिकल्स स्पीड इज गोइंग टू डिक्रीज, if particles speed is going to decrease, right, particles is moving in what, upward direction, but particles की जो velocity है वो decrease कर रही है. particles की velocity जो है decrease or decreasing, right. So in this condition at is act opposite to motion of the body, or you can say anti-parallel, or you can say here at acts parallel, here at acts parallel, and here at acts anti-parallel. And what is the third condition? Third condition is that if particles speed is constant, what, student? If particle speed is constant, if particle speed is constant, in this case at is equals to 0, right. So student, there are three possibility for tangential acceleration. Speed of particles is increasing, it is parallel to speed of the particle. If speed of particles is decreasing, it is anti-parallel to speed of particles. If velocity of the particles, or you can see speed of the particles, is constant, so tangential acceleration is 0. So this is all about, there are two types of acceleration in circular motion, radial and what, tangential. So this is the basic application. Occasionally you can see directly examiner or JEE will ask this all data, वो आपसे ऐसा क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं. Got it? Okay. So I hope student all have you already have taken a screenshot, right. So now I am going to move some most useful formula. This is what, basically bending of car on the road, bending on a road. Bending of car on a road. So just say this is what, roads, and vehicle is moving in what, forward direction. AR is responsible to change the directions of particle and it always acts toward the center, but it is not necessary कि हमेशा AR ही लगे. AR को फुलफिल करने के लिए कहीं फ्रिक्शन फोर्स भी आ सकता है, कहीं टेंजेंशियल टेंशन भी आ सकती है, कहीं नॉर्मल फोर्स भी आ सकते हैं. सो दिस इज द फोर्स विच दिस ऑलवेज सपोर्ट टू व्हाट, रेडियल एक्सेलरेशन. ये आपके रेडियल एक्सेलरेशन को भी सपोर्ट करती है. सो हेयर इज व्हाट, बेसिकली कार इज मूविंग, सो फ्रिक्शन इज व्हाट, बेसिकली प्लेइंग द रोल फॉर व्हाट, किसका बच्चा, बेसिकली रोल प्ले कर रहा है आपका रेडियल एक्सेलरेशन का. एंड दिस इज व्हाट, सेंट्रीफ्यूगल फोर्स इफ एनी पार्टिकल्स मूविंग ऑन द व्हाट, सर्कुलर पाथ. सो दिस इज व्हाट, बेसिकली सेंट्रीफ्यूगल फोर्स act outward the center. So basically you can say friction which is equals to mb square upon r, friction which is equals to mb square upon r. So what is your target to find bending of car on a road, means v की कितनी मिनिमम रफ्तार हो ताकि कार आपका बेसिकली सर्कुलर पाथ पे इजीली you can say move कर सके, right, take a turn. So friction is equals to what, mb square by r, and applied force which is, you can say friction force which is less than equals to mu1, and friction is what, basically mb square upon r, and mu or n is what? You can say m is the mass of the car, so this is mu m g. M gets cancel, so what is the v? V less than equals to mu r g. What is your v? Finally I am writing here, this is the most useful result, student. V mu r g. V basically what? Mu rg. This is a minimum speed to take a turn, safe turn car on the road, or you can say anything, right? So V, this is the minimum velocity to take a safe turn of any movement body like a car, motorcycle, whatever, anything, a vehicle like, this is the minimum speed to move a, take a turn safely on the circular track. So this is what? Bending of car on a road. Done. I hope all of you enjoying. So this is a very easy topic. Don't worry. बहुत इजी है, बहुत अच्छे स्कोर इजीली आप कर भी सकते हो. लास्ट में आपको रिकैप्चुलेट दूंगा, एक शॉर्ट ब्रीफ कि यार क्या क्या आप पढ़ सको अच्छे से, इसलिए मैं बोला ना वीडियो को आप आखिरी तक देखना, राइट. सो दिस इज व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू मूव ऑन द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, दैट इज व्हाट? बेंडिंग. बेंडिंग हो चुका है आपका. banking of a road, right student? So next is what? Basically banking of a road. A lot of time स्टूडेंट, बहुत मोस्ट टाइम रिपीटेड क्वेश्चंस, बहुत बार क्वेश्चंस आए हैं, राइट. सो जस्ट से दिस इज द व्हाट? leg of the car, and V is in inward direction. Just say this is theta. Here I am going to consider coefficient of friction is 0 between the inclined plane or car. M is the mass of the car. Due to this, mj is acting in downward directions, right? Normal, you know, everyone always acting perpendicular to contact surface. If any particles moving on a circular path, as I told you everyone, centrifugal force always acting outward the center, mb square by r. Normal, this is what? This is what? 90 minus theta, you can say. This is what? Basically theta. According to this, you can say this is what remains theta. Student, this is n of cos theta, and you can say this is n of sin theta, right? So you can write here n sin theta is equals to mb square by r, and cos theta is equals to mg. So this is equation number 1. Equation number 2, divide, and finally we'll get v is equals to under root rg tan theta. स्टूडेंट, बहुत बार रिपीट हुआ है क्वेश्चंस. मैं एक बार क्या बोल दूँ, 2019 में, तो अभी रिसेंटली मुझे रिमेंबर है, बहुत बार. इट्स अ मोस्ट टाइम रिपीटेड. बोर्ड पे वन शॉट में वही करवाया जाता है जो मैक्सिमम टाइम रिपीट हुए हैं और आने की प्रोबेबिलिटी बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. सो दिस इज व्हाट? बेसिकली बैंकिंग ऑफ रोड. सो टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट. इफ यू ड्यूरिंग वॉचिंग वीडियो, if you have any doubt, immediately comment in the comment section. There is option, all of you are smart, right? If I see or my team will see, immediately revert to you, right? So this is, take a screenshot. I hope all of you are enjoying. So this is what? Banking of road. Next is what? Basically death well concept. यार बच्चे डर गए होंगे ना? Okay, मौत का कुआं, right? So this is what? Basically death well concept. Death well concept. It's again useful concept. जितने भी फॉर्मूला है वो बहुत ज़्यादा यूजफुल आपके होते हैं. यहाँ पे अगेन सेम फंडा है कि व्हाट इज़ द वी. आपको वी बताना है, वी मिनिमम कितना हो ताकि जो मौत कुआं में ड्रामा करता है वो इजीली टर्न ले सके, राइट? दिस इज द सेम थिंग्स. सो यू कैन से स्टूडेंट, दिस इज द साइक्लिस्ट. m is the mass of the cyclist. u मूव कर रहा है वो. So normal is always acting perpendicular to contact surface. Friction is acting fit of the man. So this is friction, and M is due to gravitational force. Mg is acting in downward directions, and just say this is mb square by r, centrifugal force. So basically you can just equate these all equations. Normal, which is equals to mb square upon r, and friction, which is basically mg, or friction which is less than equals to mu n. So friction is mg, and this is mu n, and n is m v square upon r. M gets cancel. So this is rg, which is less than equals to mu v square, and you want to find v. So v greater than equals to rg upon mu. V greater than equals to rg upon mu. So this is a speed. If you take give अगर आप इतने स्पीड देते हो जो मोटरसाइकिलिस्ट होते हैं और जो कार चालक होते हैं इनसाइड द डेथ वेल, सो इजीली वो टर्न कर सकता है, वो जो फंटा लगा होता है लकड़ी का ना, राइट. सो दिस इज व्हाट बेसिकली कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ डेथ वेल. आई होप रिचन. Don't waste more time, take a screenshot, or you can pause the video, take a screenshot, right. So next is what basically I'm going to move next topic. वो आपका है सेंट्रीफ्यूगल फोर्स, जो कि बार बार आखिरी टॉपिक, इनफैक्ट मुझे आपको स्टार्टिंग में ही बताना चाहिए था, राइट. सो सेंट्रीफ्यूगल फोर्स इट्स अ वेरी यूजफुल कॉन्सेप्ट जो कि आपको हमेशा के लिए आना चाहिए, बिकॉज ये कहीं भी लग जाता है. स्टूडेंट एक कहीं भी किसी भी चैप्टर्स में आ जाते हैं, राइट. सो दिस इज व्हाट बेसिकली सेंट्रीफ्यूगल फोर्स. Centrifugal force, if any particles is what, like say this is what V. So centrifugal force Fc is equals to mb square upon r, mv square upon r. Or you can say if any particles is revolving with the omega. So centrifugal force, this is radius r. Fc is equals to m omega square r. Fc is equals to m omega square r. So this is what there are two, you can say formula तो एक ही है, और basically you can say one more formula, omega is equals to v upon r. Omega is equals to v upon r, or you can say v perpendicular upon r, that is more convenient to you. And one more last formula, that is what basically circular motion से आपका होता है, वो क्या है, tension in a rotating ring. So take a screenshot as usual, or you can pause the screen, take a screenshot and just move further. अगर आप साथ में नोट्स बना रहे हो तो साथ में नोट्स बनाते चलो साथ में, राइट. सो नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट बेसिकली स्टूडेंट आपका होता है टेंशन इन अ रोटेटिंग रिंग. व्हाट स्टूडेंट बेसिकली टेंशन इन अ rotating ring, right. Tension in a rotating ring. So this is what basically say R. If you want to rotate the ring with the omega, so what is the tension exerted in the ring? So T, I'm going to here tell direct formula of the tension in the rotating ring. T is equals to m omega square r upon 2 pi. Student, this is the formula you can use in electrostatics, you can use in sound wave, in वो wave string. There are a lot of chapters basically you can use, because देखो ये क्या है आपका सर्कुलर मोशन था, तो यहाँ पे क्या है mb स्क्वायर बाई आर, और you can see m omega square r, this is 2 pi. तो this will change, बाकी remains r what सेम रहने वाला है. इसके अलावा कुछ और आपके टॉपिक्स होते हैं जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा रिपीटेड क्वेश्चन है. साइक्लिस्ट ऑन द कर्व पाथ, साइक्लिस्ट ऑन द कर्व पाथ, उनकी भी कुछ कहानी है, वो भी आप आखिरी में पढ़ लो बिकॉज बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल आपके लिए होने वाला है। इसलिए बोला वीडियो आप बिल्कुल स्टार्टिंग से लास्ट तक देखो, टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट। अगर मैं रब भी कर दूँ तो वीडियो पॉज करो यार, कुछ तो लिखता हूँ ना बच्चे, मैं कुछ तो आपको टाइम दे रहा हूँ लिखने में, तो आप सिंपली यार स्क्रीन पॉज करो, टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट, या स्क्रीन पॉज करके लिखता रहो, साथ साथ में नोट्स बनाओ। मैं बहुत ज़्यादा, इट्स अ वेरी हार्ड वर्क आई एम डूइंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू बिकॉज आई एम हैप्पी टू हेल्प यू, राइट। सो बच्चे थोड़ा इसको घर पे खूब अच्छे से पढ़ो, क्वेश्चन बाहर आने वाला नहीं, वन शॉट वीडियो इज द व्हाट ऑसम, राइट। सो नेक्स्ट, दिस इज लास्ट टॉपिक ऑफ द टुडे क्लास, cyclist on the curve path. What is student? Cyclist on the curve path. So this is what? Stopper, breaker. Stopper, breaker. Next, यार वो होता है गड्ढा, right? So this is what? Case 2, like ditch. This is what? Case 2 and case 3, straight line. Straight track. Okay, so this is what? Stopper like this. This is what? Stopper. Student, this is what basically stopper होता है. You can say this is what? Your car. M is the mass of the car. Due to this acting mg in downward directions. V is the car. Due to this mv square upon r. And normal is acting perpendicular. मैं एक बार डायग्राम बना दूँ आपको. Normal is acting always outward the center, and this is mb square upon r. Say this is what? N1, and in downward directions acting mg. So you can say N1 is equals to mg minus mb square by r. If normal will decrease, chance of accident will increase. If sorry student, if normal decrease, chance of accident increase, right? रिपीट कर रहा हूँ मैं, अगर नॉर्मल डिक्रीज करता है तो एक्सीडेंट के चांस इंक्रीज कर जाते हैं. एंड जस्ट से दिस इज व्हाट, अगेन सेम कार, right? So normal is again acting perpendicular to contact surface. This is mg, and v due to this centrifugal force acting outward the center. So say n2, and n2 is equals to mg plus mb square upon r. And this is straight track. For a straight track, radius is what? Basically infinite. So this is what? n3, because mb square by upon r, anything by infinite goes to 0. It's a mathematical terms. So this is what? n3, which is equals to mg. So what is the questions already came in the examination student, कि आपको इनको अरेंज करना है इन द इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर, राइट? किसमें? इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में. तो देखो सबसे सेफ क्या है? दिस इज अ सेफ ट्रैक. जो आपका N2 है, इट्स अ मोर सेफ बिकॉज यहाँ पे नॉर्मल इंक्रीज किया है, चांस ऑफ एक्सीडेंट को डिक्रीज होगा, राइट? चांस ऑफ एक्सीडेंट विल डिक्रीज बिकॉज नॉर्मल इंक्रीज किया यहाँ पे. नॉर्मल इज वॉट बेसिकली N3, हेयर इज वॉट N1. सो N3 बहुत बार, 2-3 बार, 2 to 3 टाइम्स रिपीटेड क्वेश्चन इन द एग्जामिनेशन. सो N2, नेक्स्ट N3, in last what? N1. So this is all about one short video on circular motion. So I hope all of you enjoying the session. All the best.